Hi, my name is Josh Aman. I'm one of the Learning Center coordinators here at Clackamas Community College. One of my primary roles is to help connect students to our online tutors. Since this fall term will be online again, I wanted to reach out and let you all know that we have lots of free online tutoring available. This can be done through video chat, digital whiteboards, and document uploads. I know online learning can seem daunting, but we're here to help. Our student tutors are trained in multiple subject areas and can even help you get connected to your classes. We are all eager to work with you to find success in your classes. Visit us at www.clackamas.edu/tutoring to learn more about all the tutoring options we have. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to us via email at tutoring@clackamas.edu. On behalf of all of our tutors, I want to wish you a fantastic fall term.